Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Vice channel. This video is on the men's 400 meter freestyle Olympic trial event that was won by Shackell. I'm going to go through some technique highlights from entry, timing, and also freestyle breathing. So you can see here that Shackell is in lane 6 and so is Smith, so I'm going to be highlighting some technique points on both swimmers. So you can see here in these first 50 meters how smooth and controlled they are with their timing and also their entry. I'm going to slow this down and freeze frame so you can see, at least with Smith, you can see that nice clean entry. Notice his elbow is in front of his head, and at this point he's actually engaging from his lats, and he has great mobility from his shoulder because he's releasing away from his body, which helps him position his weight more in front of his head, which ultimately helps him with more propulsion. As I said before, it's really nice to see how smooth and controlled not only their timing is, but also their tempo. And you can see that they are prioritizing minimizing drag.
If you're new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new content weekly, and you also show your support for the channel.
Here's a portion of the second 50 meters. You can see underwater this nice breath, and I'm going to point out some things with his low head position. So here he is taking a breath and his head is low. He's creating a pocket. You can see the crown of his head is still a bit underwater. And notice his left arm, his breathing arm, it's relaxed, it's sloped down. But most importantly, when he completes the breath, which is early and most importantly, quick, his head returns into position and his arm is still there, as you will see right here. So you see both his left arm and his right arm, which is already entering the water, is out front while he completes his breath. This is what helps him gain a lot of distance per stroke because he's maintaining his body line throughout and staying as streamlined as possible. The arm isn't ripping back so quickly and he's not lifting his head to breathe. Here you will see them side by side, almost in sync. As I slow this down, I'll freeze frame it for a moment. You'll see right here they breathe together, and you can see their breathing arm has extended on the shoulder line. It's not crossing over, and also you still see their cap, which means the crown of their head is low and they're keeping their head low to breathe in the pocket, as you see here. Both of them have taken their breath early and quick, which is why they're able to time their catch at this moment. Both of their catches look slightly different. However, they are to the side of their body line, and they are creating that catch due to a early and quick breath. And here you can see these final moments. They're neck and neck, and you'll see here that Shackell wins the event, but they both really close here. So there's a lot of similarities between both of their techniques and some differences. But overall, it is so inspiring to watch them, and I'm excited for the 2024 Olympics. Now, if you're watching this video and you're looking to improve your own freestyle to swim faster and more efficiently, click the pinned comments below and join my Swim Vice program. I have online courses on how to improve your efficiency, other strokes, speed, and so much more. You could also go to swimvice.com for more resources to help with your swim practice. All right, swimmers, enjoy your training, and I will see you all next week.